Welcome guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how you can change keyboard language on your Metz TV. So at the first you have to go for the right upper corner on the settings, then you have to scroll down for the device preferences. Right now go for the keyboard, it's above the inputs. Right now go for the keyboard settings, pick languages, turn off use system languages, and right now you can enable any language that you want to set up for your keyboard. So for example we can enable the Russian, and that's how we can make it. I'm gonna use the system language. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.